Okay, so we're going to copy these tasks from Project 1 and paste them into Project 2 as a link. So you don't use paste, use paste special. When you use paste special, you get this box comes up on the left hand side and you can say paste as a link and say OK, and you'll see that the 5 tasks are now pasted across into the second project. If I go into Project A, for instance, here and change that to 3 days, you'll see that the 3 days also changes in the bottom. If I change the text here to brown, you'll see that automatically that will change across into the bottom side as well. These tasks here, if I just double click on this one, you'll see that if I get the task information box and I go to advanced, you'll see that this is the standard as soon as possible. The constraint. These will have a constraint on them that is to start no earlier than, and that's because these tasks are tied into the dates on here. You cannot edit these in here while they're linked, because if you double click, for instance, on this one, it will just jump you back into this document because they're linked back to that document or sheet. If, however, you do persist and you want to actually edit one of these in here, it will give you a box coming up and letting you know that they're dynamically linked and that you can break the link if you want to. We'll say no to that and just put that back to the original 1 day, and then if you click here again, you'll get that. You need to actually click out of the document back into the original, and that will let you escape. There's a few constraints on, or not constraints, but a few problems with copying and pasting here. I'll just quickly demonstrate. If I delete these and say yes and just have another go. Now if you want to do individuals, which the actual original question was about, can you do individual links, so I'll just select 1, 2 and 5. If you copy those and try and put those into your Project 2 and do paste special, you'll find unfortunately what happens is the paste link button is not available because you're doing individuals. So if you do want to do individual tasks across rather than groups into a project, what you're going to need to do is do them unfortunately one at a time. But that will work if you do them one at a time. So I'm just very quickly doing this here, and I'll just grab number 4, say for instance, and copy and just place that down into there as well. And there we go. And of course, if I edit A to be 4 days or 6 days now, you'll find that will do. And if I edit D to be 3 days, you'll see there we go. That will also edit across to 3 days. Okay, hope that helps. Bye now.